everybody, welcome back to my channel. So if you haven't noticed, we are in a new location, and that is because we finally moved to LA. So we just moved into our apartment a couple of hours ago actually, so we are still in the process of like moving everything in and everything, but we did want to show you guys a tour before we start like putting everything together. So yeah, he is going to be the cameraman and I'm going to walk you guys through our apartment. We did get a 2-bedroom 2-bath apartment in LA. I think I said like in a previous video that I was like working on moving and everything, so that's currently what we're doing now. Very excited. How do you feel?
Excited.
Yeah, same. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna take you guys on a tour now. Let's go. Why would you do that? Welcome to my crib. Shit, damn. Okay, so here you have it, the front door. You showed them the kitchen before the front door.
What I was looking at? All right.
Okay, so here's the front door, guys. And when you walk
front door
in,
shit.
there is our lights, our little thing for our air conditioner and our heater and everything. Here we have a storage closet. We're trying not to show too much of like the floor right here because we have hella shit that we
gang of shit
out of our car and
on the
it's
floor.
kind of messy. So yeah, let's go into the kitchen. So this is personally my favorite part of the apartment just because the kitchen is like super modern and I feel like it's very spacious for an apartment. So like look at the size of the sink. Big sink. We have a big countertop. It's not really like, it doesn't really have that much space for like bar stools or anything, but we might try to squeeze pull something in there. I like the stove, gas stove. I personally choose gas stove over electric.
Straight gas.
It's faster, it cooks faster. And
you like that gas, huh?
We have the refrigerator, and I like that all the appliances are stainless steel too. So the refrigerator, and then we also have like the ice maker and the water, which we really love because we really utilize that in our old place. So yeah, and also with this kitchen, there's like hella storage. We have like all of here, we have over here, down here, and then a dishwasher, which will definitely come in handy because ain't nobody trying to wash dishes. So yeah, that is the kitchen. Oh, and look at our little plant that we brought from our other house. And
Him's
guys,
dying because the
he's
car
suffering. Like since the car ride, it died a little, but we're gonna bring him back to life. So yeah, follow me this way. Over here is going to be the living room. As of right now, we don't have any furniture here, and we don't really know what we're gonna be getting any, just because we're gonna start over fresh with like all new furniture here at this place. And yeah, we're just gonna like get our bedroom settled before we like figure out the living room. Our TV is currently on the floor because we're setting up like the Wi-Fi and all of that good stuff. And then we have, the washer and dryer here. Pretty basic, you know, your standard washer and dryer. But one thing that we did want in our unit is laundry, because we didn't want to do like a shared situation or like a laundromat, because I just wasn't.
That's just hella irritating, to be honest.
Yeah, and like from like our house in the Bay always had laundry, so yeah, that's something that we really worked for. And then here is our room. So I did say this is a 2-bedroom, so it's gonna be me and my boyfriend, and then my little sister. So this is gonna be me and my boyfriend's room. It's a little dark in here right now because we haven't set up our light situation yet, but I like the space. We don't have our bed out here yet. We have to go back to the bed and like collect more of our stuff. But that is the room, very spacious. And then here is our closet, which is also very spacious. It has a lot of room for storage. I don't have that much clothes, he does, so he'll probably be using like
the whole shit,
most of the closet. But yeah, so that is the closet, and then there's like a little hallway.
I'm telling you, that's gonna be your closet out there by the
front.
front.
And then here is the bathroom, and I really like the bathroom too because it's super modern. Like all the fixtures like the faucet, the towel rack, the toilet paper rack, and the shower stuff. Like, it's all pretty modern. And then we have a lot of storage down here as well. So yeah, I mean, it's just a standard bathroom, but it's cute. It's cute or whatever. And then let's go ahead and go to my sister's room, which is gonna be across. And one thing that what?
All that shit on the side.
And we also really like how the rooms are like on opposite sides of the house, so that it's like kind of private. And then also when we looked into places, we knew we wanted a place that was like master. Yeah, so basically like a bathroom in each room. So this is her room, spacious, and then her closet, and then she also has her own bathroom. So she can, you know, have her living situation over here on the other side of the house. And yeah, her bathroom is pretty much just like ours. She has storage and full shower and bath. This is her stuff. And yeah, I mean, that is pretty much it for the place. I mean, it is pretty small, little apartment, which is something that we wanted. We didn't want anything like too big, but we also didn't want anything too small. I think this is like the perfect size for all three of us. And I like that, like it's on each side of the house, so like we won't be in each other's personal space and everything. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do eventually want to film a like decorating the kitchen and living room and our bedroom and everything when our furniture comes. Right now, yeah, this is all we have. I did buy a lot of like kitchen appliances and stuff that I'm gonna set up, but I'll show you guys like how I set up everything and what I got once everything is done. Since we did move to LA and like we have a new place and everything, I am gonna be creating more content for you guys, so be on the lookout for that. And yeah, we're pretty excited. Want to add anything?
Real bass shit in LA, you feel me? Yay!
Yeah, okay. Well, yeah, that was it for the apartment tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you guys in our next video. Bye.